Hey guys, it's Jay Ketsu. Welcome to Shopify. Just make sure you go ahead and hit the link to sign up for Shopify. And once you've entered in your appropriate information, all you need to do is come over here to your dashboard. And so what we're going to do is begin right away to customize our store to get you on the fast track. So first thing we want to do is come over to settings here. It's the gear icon. We're going to hit general. And then you just need to enter your store name, make sure you have your address here. You can change your time zone accordingly. I use the unit weight of pounds for my store, so I'm just going to leave that as is. I'm going to come back to settings, make sure that's good. Then we're going to go over to payments. We're just going to go one by one here, guys. We want to customize our Shopify payments, of course, so please go ahead and complete the account setup here, especially if you are in the US. If you are not in the US or a place that accepts Shopify payments, you'll want to look into third-party processors that can work with Shopify, and there's plenty of them out there. And then here you can see you can set up PayPal, but you can't do that until after your first sale, and then they'll email you here. And then as soon as that is done, you can move on to Amazon Pay. You can go ahead and activate that and just follow the step-by-step directions with them. Again, Amazon is a good one to accept if you can, just because it instills trust with your customers. Moving down, you're good to go. Make sure you hit save if you've made any changes on this page. Let's go back to settings here, and let's go to checkout. This page is important to pay attention here. Accounts are disabled, that's perfectly fine. Accounts are optional, that's okay too, but the less on the checkout page, the better in my opinion, so I'm going to leave them disabled. Full name, require first and last name. This is just for shipping purposes, I find that important. Company name, I have that hidden. Address line 2, optional definitely. Phone number, required, again for shipping purposes. While the customer is checking out, use the shipping address as billing address by default. We leave that alone. Yes. Customer agrees to receive promotional emails. And I think by default it said it does not agree, so we definitely want customer agrees. This is a great way to build your email list for your store. After an order has been paid, do not automatically fulfill. Leave all these settings alone. You can generate sample refund policies, privacy policies, in terms of service here. Just go ahead and make sure you customize them for your own business, and then we'll discuss some of these things later. Go ahead and click save if you made any changes. Always hit that save button, guys. Back to settings once again, and then we are good to go for the checkout process. I'll see you guys in the next lesson about shipping. Peace.